Alrighty, another installment, Shark Customs. As you can see, we're in the school grounds. Oh yeah, by the way, totally illegal to smoke on school property, so it's gone. So, what we're here tonight, we're after hours. We're after, I don't know what you call it, noise bylaw hours. You know, it's after 7 o'clock, but we're going to give you another installment. I created the Mad Max GT40. Yes, I took that old buck that I used to make the GT40 molds, and I had to hack it, you know, I had to saw it. But basically what I've got it sitting on is I've got it sitting on a 30.5 Roving Baja chassis. Basically, it's literally sitting on here. It's got a zip tie here and a zip tie here. As you can see, look, it's a little wobbly. We got a stinger on the can muffler. Hopefully keeps it a little bit quieter. We've got it gassed up. We've got it powered up. And we're going to give it a run, and we're going to basically see what happens to the GT Max 40 body. I don't have, let's just put it this way, I don't have too much faith that it's going to last very long, because these Bajas, you know, they, yeah, we got to keep the sun behind the camera, okay? And, you know, it would have been nice if I had some road tires that I could put on the front, because I actually, my primal slicks would have went on the back nice, but you know, we're gonna fire it up, and I'm gonna rip it a bit, and we'll kind of see what happens. You know, hopefully the cops don't show up. I don't think they will. That might infringe on my, it's Saturday night here in Southern Ontario. It might infringe on my beer time if they do show up. It's not like they're going to arrest me or anything. I hope. Yes, the windshield is hinged so I can access. Hopefully it stays there. If it comes off, it doesn't matter. I can actually reach the ripper cord. I say, fire it up, put it through some paces, let's see what happens. Try not, obviously you can see they put up another building here in the back of the school ground. I don't know why they raised it 3 feet off the ground. Oh, they're actually metal straps. I thought they were like tie downs. I was going, what? What's that gonna hold? That gonna, you know, good windstorm will knock that off the blocks. But anyhow, that's not what we're here for. Let's fire up the Mad Max GT and see what it's got. to adjust my steering. Seems to be steering to the right very well, but not to the left. Wonder if it's hitting. Not sure what's going on there. I had this thing all trimmed in yesterday. I had it over here yesterday, actually ripping it out there. The front end, don't know where it is. I'm gonna guess it's out there in the field somewhere. The stinger fell apart. That's why it got a little bit louder. Yeah, we've lost the nose. But all in all, you know, gotta remember, this was a 3D print. And she's a little loud. And I'm gonna fire it back up because we're gonna walk that way to the field. We're gonna try and find the nose. But I say let's go to the field and see what it's got, because I got a special spot out there. Let's go. Well, there you have it. We ripped it. We found the pieces. I rolled it. I think I rolled it. Yeah, I rolled it. It broke the zip tie holding the body. Yeah, we lost some other pieces. Look, we lost the side here. You know, overall, for ripping it that hard, a 3D print, it's got a little bit of fiberglass inside it because I did break it once before, running it on the other chassis. But all in all, man, those like, hey man, you know, you can't beat $400 or $500 for one of them Bajas. Those things are just, they're a holy terror, you know. And this one is all bone stock. Couldn't imagine putting in one of those crazy, you know, upwards of 80 cc's in one of these things. I can't. Personally, I wouldn't do it. Just, you know, this thing's, it's a ripper. It's fast enough. You can see it, you know, it shreds grass, but it shreds dirt. I'm gonna call that one for tonight because, you know, there's residences that live all around here, and they probably hate the sound of this thing, you know. I'd give it one more blast, but I know I'm just gonna tear the body up even more, and let's do it. At least do some more donuts. Which direction it's going because the body's off. There we go. I can't tell which way I'm going. Something's wrong with the steering. Yeah, I think we've knocked the link bar off. Only wants to go left. Yeah, we're kind of stuck over there. We'll just kill it there. Yeah, so the body's, you know, it's a little worse for wear. Like I say, this was the 3D print. This was the buck. Yeah, it was so hard to tell which direction I was going in. But I think what we'll do is we'll pick up all the pieces and we'll probably head home before Johnny Law shows up. I'm not saying they will. I'm not saying they won't. I can actually hear something behind me. Probably, you know, somebody that lives in the area, probably filming my bullshit. Anyhow, that's us, Sharp Customs. Oh, by the way, I forgot to say, we're rolling, and we're rolling out. Sharp Customs, share, like, subscribe. Peace, I'm out.